students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we will start the fourth letter of English alphabet and its name is D. D. It is capital D and this is small d. Its sound is D. D. There are some objects that begin with the letter D. Let's start. It sounds good. What is this? It is drum. Drum. We beat a drum. Oh, here is something different. It's not a hen. What is this? It is duck. Duck. Duck likes water very much. Oh, here is a toy and the girls play with it. So what is this? It is doll. Doll. Oh, what is this? It lives in water. Can you guess it? Yes, this is dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphin is a friend of human beings. Look, a beautiful animal. This is deer. Deer lives in the jungle. I hope students you have learned the letter D and its sound. We will come tomorrow with a new letter. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.